this is a coordinate plane. This is your y-axis. The horizontal is your x-axis. If I wanted to plot the point, I'm just doing a little review right now. 1, 2, you would go, let me get another piece. I would go over 1 and up 2. That right there is the ordered pair 1, 2. If I wanted to plot the ordered pair -1, -2, you start at the origin, you go to your left -1, and then down -2. So that ordered pair right there is -1, -2. So let's see if I can answer this question now with that little mini review. So P is positive. This P is your x coordinate, okay? Anytime x is positive, you are going in this direction, okay? Now, if y is positive, you'd go up. If y is negative, you go down. So is P greater than Q? I don't know, because Q, which is your y, might be up here where it would be positive, or it might be down here where it's negative. So clue 1 does not work by itself. Okay, now let's erase a little bit, if I can find my eraser. And point PQ lies above the line y equal x plus 1. Y equal x plus 1, that's y equal mx plus b. M is the slope, and b is the y-intercept. So there's a 1 here. My slope is 1, and I think of slope as rise over run, and I can take my number 1 and just write it over 1, and that value is still 1. And here my b is 1, and that's my y-intercept. So my y-intercept is 1. Plot your y-intercept, and then with your pencil on your y-intercept, rise 1 and run 1. Okay, I'm going to move to red. I'm going to rise 1 and run 1. Rise 1 and run 1. I need to erase that little dot right there. It's confusing. So I went up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. So I get this line here. Now, so if that's the case, point PQ is above this line somewhere. Okay, it's above that line. And if you look at those points, is P greater than Q? If I look at this ordered pair here, let me switch colors again. That would be 1, 3. Is PQ, that's the order pair 1, 3. Is 1 greater than 3? No. Alright, let's go over here. That point right there is -1, 1. Is P greater than, that's an order pair, -1, 1. Is P greater than Q? No. So can I answer the question? Yes. That's enough information, so the answer is B.